In a world where technology is constantly evolving, it's time for the traditional keyboard to catch up. Introducing the TWS keyboard, the true wireless split keyboard. Unlike other ergonomic keyboards, the TWS keyboard has no wires, not even between the two sides, allowing you to experience the true joy of typing with no cords interrupting your flow. Our innovative 2.4G technology provides a stable and reliable wireless connection, eliminating the need for an active or slave machine. Powering this revolution is the NRF chip. Each side of the keyboard weighs in at a comfortable 300 grams, crafted from durable acrylic material. And with hot swappable sockets, you can customize your typing experience to match your personal preferences. The TWS keyboard even features a screen for a more interactive experience. With a 2000 mAh battery, enjoy up to 150 hours of continuous use with the screen on. That's a stunning 75 days of battery life if you type for 2 hours per day. Remappable? Absolutely. Our proprietary software allows you to set up to 8 layers of customization, giving you the power to tailor your keyboard to your unique needs. And with 2 dedicated knobs and 54 keys, you have complete control over your workspace. Experience the freedom and confidence of typing like never before. Join us on Kickstarter and help us bring this innovation to desks around the world.